Talking a lot about laws that affect how you and your government interact. Well, the decision on whether a ban on two laws that would shift authority over the state's prison system, whether they should remain in place or be lifted, now rests in the hands of a Pulaski County judge.
Circuit Judge Patty James doesn't have much wiggle room, but before she rules, former prison board chairman Betty Magnus and current board member Lee Watson are getting a chance to make their case. Magnus and Watson are among the remaining board members who still support the board's original position that the laws passed in 2023 are unconstitutional. Both oppose the board's decision to settle the lawsuit they started 3 years ago. Here's the rundown.
Yeah, this dispute started in 2024. That's when the Board of Corrections sued Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders, challenging those two state laws. The board argued the laws, one, shifted too much authority from the board to the governor, and two, violated Arkansas's Constitution Amendment 33, which is meant to protect the independence of state boards like the prison board.
Here's where Judge James comes into play. She ruled in favor of the board and issued an injunction blocking the laws from taking effect. The governor appealed that ruling to the Arkansas Supreme Court.
And while the case went on appeal, a Sanders-appointed majority took over the board, and they fired the attorney, settled the lawsuit, and abandoned the constitutional challenge. And then in May, the Supreme Court sent the case back to Judge James, asking her to consider lifting the injunction and enter an agreed order if it's appropriate. Magnus and Watson are seeking to intervene before that decision gets made.